Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, press the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center, then select Watch History. Here, you will see all the videos you have watched. If you want, you can sort your watch history by date using the button at the top. To delete your watch history, go to the Watch History section and tap on Select. Choose the videos you want to remove, and TikTok will ask if you want to permanently delete them. Tap Delete to confirm, and in just a few seconds, those videos will be removed from your history. And that's it. Now you know how to check and manage your watch history on TikTok.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.